Hi, I'm Courtney Fleetwood, and I did Activity 2 on differentiated instruction. I chose the jigsaw puzzle because it can easily show how the pieces of differentiated instruction areas can fit together. We have the content and the process and the product. Basically, differentiated instruction is not using the same learning activities, and you're working with the different instructions that fit the individual needs of each of your students. For example, for content, you may use different levels, different reading levels. You have a child that's on a lower reading level than another child that's on a way higher level than his grade. For the process, you're going to let your students pick books that are on each of their different reading levels. And at the end, for the product, you maybe will have them write a summary over what they had read. And they may even do a small quiz over whatever book they had read. Another example for content would be like studying the Civil War. For example, for the process, you'd have videos for them to watch. You would have different reading materials and books for them to read. You may even take them to see a play. There's a bunch of different ways that you can learn about it through the process. And then for the product, you may have a student choice where they can choose to write an essay about the topic that was covered, or do a PowerPoint about it, or a poster, or a sketch. The reason differentiated instruction has come around is because teaching in the middle does not work. It does not work to teach the middle grounds. You need to assess your students that are higher educationally than the ones that are lower. The ones that have a higher educational ability, they're going to be getting bored if you're teaching in the middle, and the ones with the lower are going to be so behind and they just don't really know what's going on. So differentiated instruction is very important. Like I said, it's making sense of different ideas. It's giving them a chance to express what they learned in different ways. And it's multiple different options for taking in information. And it's really important to learn. Thanks.